Persistent cough, fatigue, don't ignore the signs. Every year, tuberculosis, TB, silently affects millions, but early detection can save lives. Symptoms of TB. Cough lasting more than 3 weeks. Chest pain, fever, night sweats, coughing up blood, weight loss. Bahrain Medical Laboratory offers advanced PCR testing for TB, delivering accurate results in just 5 to 7 days. Detects non-tuberculous mycobacteria, multi-drug resistant TB, extensively drug-resistant TB. Don't wait until it's too late. TB, if untreated, can spread to your brain, kidneys, and beyond. Book your test today. Call us now, 172-55522. Visit www.bahrainmedicallab.com. Early detection saves lives. Trust Bahrain Medical Lab.